All right, so let's build our variables in Scratch. So to do that, we go to the data section in our blocks here. But do you guys see a data section? Well, they changed it to variables. So we click on variables and let's actually change something. Let's set a new variable. So let's make a variable and let's call it count. So we click on make a variable and we can just throw that there. We don't actually have to have that on the screen. It can just be here within code. We can name the variable whatever we want. For the example, I want you guys to call it count. So our variable's name is count right here. And then I want to set count to be something. Let's set count to be 0. All right, and then I can actually make my sprite say something. So let's have, whenever I click on the sprite, I want it to tell me what its variable is. So that's under looks. Oh, we need events first. Whenever the sprite is clicked, we know this one, we've used it in the past. When this sprite clicked, I want it to talk. Okay. Actually, I don't think I can. Instead of doing that, let's just have it show the variables. We go down to variables, and let's have it show count. Okay. Now, whenever I click on this, it shows count. I want it to wait for a second. Wait 1 second, and then I want it to hide count. So that way it's not always there. I click on it, it shows count for 1 second, and then leaves. But I also want to be able to increase count. So let's have another function that says, when I click the space bar, I want to increase count's name by 1. So I do the change count by 1. Okay, so if I click on this, it will show me count, and then it hides it after 1 second. Let's do 2. Okay, count is currently 0. But if I click the change, because it's currently mapped to space, I click on that, I click on it twice. Now, if I click on my sprite, counts 2. Let's hit space again. Click on the sprite, counts 3. Hit space again, counts 4. Okay? Now, but I want a way to reset count to be 0. So how we do that, let's just do when a certain key is pressed. And I want that key to be the 0 key. So whenever they hit 0, if I click on this, counts 5. But if I hit my 0 key, and then I click on the sprite again, count is 0. And that is how we create variables in Sprite.